Hey guys, welcome to Dasalile. This is the first video of the week, and we're doing 10 facts about ourselves. We're gonna get to know us. You can comment if you want to be friends, we can be friends. And so I will be on Monday, which is today, and then Alyssa will be on Wednesday, and Daisy will be on Friday, so make sure to check out their videos, because I'm sure they will be amazing. And you'll get to learn so much about us in 10 facts. And also for vlogs, we changed it up. We're gonna vlog every single day and then post it on Sunday. We're gonna vlog Monday through Saturday, so you just won't get to see what happens on Sunday, which nothing really happens for me on Sunday anyway. So hope you enjoy, and make sure to check out the first 2 videos that we made. And that's it. So let's get to the video. For the first fact of today, I love Doctor Who. I mean, like, my best friend got me into it and I'm obsessed with it. I hate it and love it at the same time because it is an addiction. And another show that I really want to start is Orange is the New Black. I've heard it's really good. And another show that I really like is, I used to watch it once upon a time. I used to be obsessed with it, then I got into Doctor Who and I stopped it. I was at season 4. Another fact is that I have a dog! Come here! I'm sure if you've seen the vlog, and you should have seen the vlog, this is Toby. Yeah, you're gonna look at the camera. And I'm bribing him with pepperoni because I knew he wouldn't come downstairs unless I had food. Here, sorry. Tom. So yeah, this is my puppy. He's so cute. He is a beach. No. I'm gonna mix this up. Rottweiler Poodle. He's really fuzzy. He's really cute. I love him so much. And that's gonna be a part of my next fact. Another fact is that I love animals so much. Like, they're my life, and as you know now that I have a dog, and I love my dog so much, and I want a cat, and I want a bunny, and I want every animal. They're so cute. For this fact, I'm so excited. I'm 16 right now, but next month, August 15th, I'm gonna be 17. I'm really excited. I'm getting my permit on my birthday, and I'm just really excited for that to happen. Fact number 5, yeah, I did decide I'm starting to count. Fact number 5, I have 1 brother and 1 sister. One is named Justin. He has a YouTube. I don't think he's popular, but if I know it, I'll put it down below because he's a gamer. And then I have a sister named Sarah, and you saw her in the vlog if you did watch the vlog. And I would get her down here, but I don't feel like calling her. For fact number 6, I have my own YouTube channel, and I will put the link down below for if you want to go check it out. And this also leads into fact number 7, I sing, which is on my YouTube channel, but I have really bad quality, so it's okay. But I sing, I play piano, I take piano lessons right now, but I'm not amazing at this point yet. I'm getting there. I'll get there one day, and that reminds me I have piano tonight. And also, that also leads into this. I'm trying out for American Idol August 2nd because it's my dream, and I just love to get in and be able to show the world what I can do with my voice. And oh yeah, also I used to play guitar and flute. That can go tie in with the singing and piano, but I don't play those anymore. Kind of guitar a little bit. For fact number 8, I have 2 really close internet friends. I figured I'd share it because these are 2 of my best friends. My one has a YouTube channel, and if she wants me to, I'll put it down below. And the other is the one that got me into Doctor Who, which, yeah. And we've been friends for 4 years in September, which is amazing. I love them, yeah, so shout out to them. I don't know if they want their names on here, so I'm just not gonna say them. And for fact number 10, I love doing art, and I have I'll show you something that I've done before. Like, I'm not super amazing, but I really do love doing art. Like, I made that heart behind me because it's art, somewhat. I made this elephant about in the beginning of the year. I love elephants so much also. That's like a bonus fact. I love elephants. So I have a lot of elephants around my room, and this just adds on to my elephant collection. And also there's glitter on it, and I love glitter so much. And that's like another bonus fact. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like to. And also make sure to check out the first videos we made, and make sure throughout the week to check out Alyssa and Daisy as they share 10 facts about them. Thanks for watching!